Hello, I'm immigration attorney Alma Rosa Nieto. Today I'd like to talk a little bit more about a U visa. What is a U visa? Maybe many of you know. I'm going to go basically over the requirements. However, there have been some changes, some positive and some not so positive, and I'd like to recap the requirements as well as the changes. And please do share this video with anyone that's been a victim of a violent crime occurring within the United States. U visas occurred many years ago. However, when they first started, there were only a few thousand applicants per year. There is a quota and a limit of 10,000 U visas per year issued by the Immigration Service. The requirements are many, but the most important are to be a victim of a violent crime and, very important number two, that the victim cooperate with detectives, the police, either the DA in court or the judge in a criminal court proceedings to attempt to find or convict the criminal. So it's very important that the two be combined. You be a victim and you cooperated with authorities to get the criminal and process this person. And if the criminal is never found, you still may be eligible for a U visa. The importance is that you cooperate with the police in the investigation. Now, what are the changes that have occurred? In the past, let's say a woman is a victim of a violent crime and she has children. She files the application and one of her children is 20, about to turn 21. In the past, as soon as that child turned 21, that child would age out, and only the mother and the children under 21 would get the benefit of the U visa. There have been recent changes now, and they are retroactive, that if an application for a U visa is filed before your children turn 21, and during the process they age out, they will still continue to receive the benefits and eventually a green card through this U visa. So that's a great change that immigration has now allowed, so please share this information with friends and family. It is retroactive. The other is a change that unfortunately so many people have found out about the U visa, which is wonderful. However, there are only 10,000 visas issued per year. When this program started, there were 6,000 applicants for the first year that this got started with immigration. This last year, 2012, there were 24,000 applicants for U visas. So what happens? There's a quota. There are 10,000 visas issued, and unfortunately it takes now maybe a year, maybe even two, to get the benefits of the U visa, which first are a work permit. After 3 years of having a work permit and being granted the status of a U visa, the applicant can then apply for permanent residence, or what is commonly known as a green card. So I'm sharing this information not to be the bearer of bad news, but many people share information with friends, colleagues, people at work, and they're saying, I got my U visa in only 6 months. Well, that was when this program first started. Now it's taking a year plus, maybe even 2 years. So don't get disillusioned or think that maybe you're going to be denied because it's taking so long. It's just that the quotas are longer and the pool of applicants is larger. So the delays are now a year plus, closer to 2.